Hi friend, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm also good. By the way, I am Kriti.
I am Prabesh. I am a director. I am going to make a new movie. Do you want to play a role in my movie?
Yes, I will be so happy if I get role.
It's a Hindi movie.
Oh wow, I like Hindi movie.
Do you speak Hindi?
Yes, I know little bit.
Oh good. Are you not feeling well?
Yes, I am having headache and coughing.
You should go for checkup.
Okay, sure I will.
Yes, I got a Best Director award.
Wow, good.
Thank you.
I am happy I will get role in your movie.
Yeah, you are so lucky you got role in my movie.
Thank you for that.
Are you free today?
Yes.
Can we have dinner today night?
Okay, why not?
Okay, thanks.